Hello Rohit, how are you?
Hi Kiran, I'm good. How about you?
I'm also fine. Did you watch the cricket match last night?
Yes, I did. India played very well. I love watching cricket. This is my favorite game. What about you?
I also like cricket. I was cheering for India. They played against Australia, right?
Yes, it was against Australia. It was an exciting match. Virat Kohli scored a half century. He played really well.
Yes, Virat Kohli is one of my favorite players. He is very talented. Do you play cricket, Rohit?
Yes, I play cricket with my friends every weekend. We play on the local ground. Sometimes we have a small tournament. Do you play any sports?
I play badminton. I usually play with my sister in the evening. It's a lot of fun and it's good exercise too. Have you ever played badminton?
Yes, I have played a few times. It's a fast game. You need a quick response. I like to play, but I'm not very good at it. I like cricket.
That's okay. Everyone has their own favorite game. Do you watch other sports besides cricket?
Yes, I watch football sometimes. The Indian Super League is becoming popular. Do you watch football?
I don't watch it often, but I know it's becoming popular. I watched some matches during the World Cup. This is a fast-paced game. Who is your favorite football team?
I like Bangalore FC. They are a strong team in the Indian Super League. They have some good players. Do you have a favorite team?
I don't really like football, but I know many people who like Bengaluru FC. I hear he has a huge fan base. Do you think football will become as popular as cricket in India?
I think it will take some time. The history of cricket in India is very old, but football is growing rapidly. Many youngsters are starting to play and watch football. It may become very popular in the future.
This is true. Cricket is like a religion in India, but it's good to see other games becoming popular. It gives people more options. Are there any other sports that you like?
I also like Kabaddi. This is an interesting game. It's fast and it's very physical. Have you ever watched Kabaddi?
Yes, I have. It's very intense. I watched Pro Kabaddi League on TV. It's exciting to watch, but hard to play. You need a lot of strength and agility.
Yes, Kabaddi is a tough game, but it is also a traditional Indian game. It's good to see it becoming popular again. Do you think more people should play traditional sports like Kabaddi?
I also think so. It is part of our culture. Traditional sports can be very entertaining and they keep us connected to our roots. Plus, it's good exercise.
Yes, sports are a great way to stay fit and healthy. They also bring people together. It's fun to play with friends or family. What do you think about women in sports?
I think it's great that more women are playing sports. There are many talented female athletes in India. Players like PV Sindhu and Saina Nehwal are role models for many young girls.
Yes, they are amazing. They have achieved a lot in badminton. I hope more women have the opportunity to play and compete in sports. This is necessary for gender equality.
Absolutely. Women should get equal opportunities as men in sports. It's good to see more support for female athletes in India. I hope it continues to grow.
Yes, I agree. Sports are for everyone, not just for men. Everyone should have a chance to play and enjoy the game.
That's true. Thanks for the conversation, Rohit. It was great to talk about sports.
Yes, it was. Thanks, Kiran. Let's play badminton together sometime.
That sounds like a good idea. Let's plan for this. See you soon, Rohit.
See you soon, Kiran. Thanks for watching. May you have a great time ahead.